Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up BIOS boot menu and install Windows on VivoBook S14 laptop. For that, first of all, need a bootable pen drive, Windows 10 bootable pen drive. Insert the pen drive into the laptop, then press power button and press F2 for BIOS setup. After coming to the BIOS setup, we will go to the boot option by pressing the right key of the keyboard. Then we will go to boot option 1. Here you see the Windows boot manager, and second you see UEFI, that is bootable pen drive. We will always put hard disk or SSD in first boot priority. We will never bootable pen drive in first boot priority. If the pen drive is set to first boot priority, then Windows will go through the installation process again after installation. Okay, we will press F12 for save and laptop will be restored, and we will press ESC escape for boot menu. After coming this display, we will select pen drive for installation Windows. This laptop only have UEFI, so we will select UEFI pen drive and press enter. Installation process is coming. Next, install now, check mark, next, Windows install, and here you see there are both hard drive and SSD. As you can see below, this is the SSD. I will format it and install Windows. Select drive and next. We will wait 10 minutes. After doing that, it will be restored and processing automatically. OK. US OK. And next. Don't have internet, click. Limited, click, and you put here a name. Next, no need to put password and accept. Not now. Windows installation completed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much.